गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट में मैथ सब्जेक्ट में स्टडी करने वाले हैं। मैथ्स में आज हम लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट वाला एक टॉपिक लेने वाले हैं, वो करेंगे डिजिटल रूप में। ओके, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. Can you give me 7 arms of rope? Here is your 7 arms of rope. Why don't you measure your arm with this rope?
Now see, यहाँ जो बच्ची है उसके पापा की शॉप है, उस यहाँ पे एक कस्टमर आया है, उसको रोप चाहिए 7 आर्म्स, मतलब 7 इंच का एक रोप चाहिए, तो वो इसको दे रही है और ये पूछ रहा है कि आपने कैसे इसको काउंट किया। ठीक है, चलिए आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है।
And take 7 times of that length. But this is only 6 arms long. So the farmer measures his arm with the rope, and Lali gives him 7 times that much rope. How many? In how many steps will Damji cross the road?
In how many steps will दामजी क्रॉस द रोड, मतलब दामजी को रोड क्रॉस करने के लिए कितने स्टेप की जरूरत है। 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5। दामजी को रोड क्रॉस करने के लिए कितने स्टेप्स की जरूरत है? 5 स्टेप्स की। ओके, चलिए कंटिन्यू।
How many cups can be placed in a line on this table?
How many cup can placed in line on the table? How many cups? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cups? 10 cups.
How many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch?
How many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? मतलब हाँ, कितने pots लगेंगे ब्रांच तक पहुंचने के लिए? तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 pots can be placed to reach the tree branch.
How many shirts can be hung on this wire? How much is a centimeter? That is cm.
See, how much is centimeter? मतलब सेंटीमीटर किसको कहते हैं? सेंटीमीटर का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है cm. ओके, सेंटीमीटर शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज cm. Okay, now take some scale. Okay, scale now. 0 to 1. In our scales, 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Now see this, 1 centimeter. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. 1 to 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. 2 to 3 is 1 centimeter. 3 to 4 1 centimeter. 4 to 5 1 centimeter. 5 to 6 1 centimeter. 6 to 7 1 centimeter. 7 to 8 1 centimeter. 8 to 9 1 centimeter. 9 to 10 1 centimeter. 10 to 11 1 centimeter. 11 to 12 1 centimeter. 12 to 13 1 centimeter. 13 to 14 1 centimeter. 14 to 15 1 centimeter. So, how many centimeters are in scales? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 centimeters are in that. Okay. Now, let's continue.
The matchstick is 4 centimeter long. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. The lizard is 13 centimeter long. The leaf is dash centimeter long. The wax color is dash centimeter long. Now, look at a scale that you find in a geometry box. How many centimeters does it have? The small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Is it easier to start measuring from the 0 mark? Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their lengths.
Look at this string, draw on the near scale and find out their length. देखिए यहाँ पे स्केल है, उसकी लेंथ के हिसाब से हमें इन सारी चीज़ों को लेंथ डिसाइड करनी है. ओके, सो लेंथ ऑफ नेल, नेल की लेंथ क्या है? 4 सेंटीमीटर. इरेजर की लेंथ क्या है? 3 सेंटीमीटर. सेफ्टी पिन की लेंथ क्या है? 2 सेंटीमीटर. एंड हुक की लेंथ क्या है? 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके.
What are the little lines on the scale used for? Look for things that are about 10 centimeter long. Screwdriver, saw, spanner. Between 10 and 20 centimeter long, iron, spoon, bottle, etc. Less than 1 centimeter long. Peas, and pulses, etc. Observe these two figures. Here we can see a giraffe and a mouse. Come on, let us measure their lengths using a scale. Length of mouse is approximately 2 centimeter and the length of giraffe is approximately 8 centimeter. If we observe both the figures closely, it is seen that the mouse is smaller than the giraffe. How big is my hand? Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page. Which is longer, the thumb or the little finger? Bring a measuring tape to your class. Guess the lengths of different parts of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string, measuring tape, etc. Think, how will you know the number of centimeter if you measure with a rope, shoestring, thread, etc.? Nose. My measurement dash centimeter. My friend's measurement dash centimeter. Around the wrist, my measurement dash centimeter. My friend's measurement dash centimeter. Around the head, dash centimeter, dash centimeter. Ear, dash centimeter, dash centimeter. Hand, that is tip of middle finger to wrist. My measurement dash centimeter. My friend's measurement dash centimeter. Compare your measurement with your friends. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? Who has the longest hand from the middle finger to wrist? Which is longer, your ear or your nose? Is any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long? Ghibli and the Grains. Aunt Ghibli has to reach the grains. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest? Road A, Road B, Road C, Road D. Can you draw a road shorter than these? What is the length of that road? How much long is 1 meter? This is a cloth store. Here, two friends have come to buy cloth. Amar says to the shopkeeper, I have to make a long kurta. So how much cloth will be needed? The shopkeeper replies, you will require 2 meters of cloth for your kurta. Geeta asks the shopkeeper, I require a long skirt, so how much cloth will be needed? Shopkeeper replies, you will require 3 meters of cloth for your a long skirt. Do you know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Come on, let's make a row of 1 meter. You must have seen the shopkeeper measuring the length of cloth with meter scale. So now, let's make use of meter scale. First, make a knot at one of the ends of the row. Now, match the row with the meter scale and mark at the end of 1 meter using a marker and tie a knot. So, the distance between these two knots is 1 meter. This row is 1 meter long. If you don't get a meter tape, then you can also use a measuring tape. Mark exactly at 100 centimeter on the row, as we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This way, we will get a row of length 1 meter. Find some things that look 1 meter long. Use your meter rule to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. Now, make a chart of the heights of your friends. To measure the centimeters, you can use your small scale. Centimeter or meter? Which of these will be in centimeter and which will be in meter? Width of a computer screen. Length of a pagri worn by 6. Height of a 1-year-old child. Length of a banana. Waist of an elephant. Height of a sugar cane. Depth of a well. Height of your mother. Distance from classroom to school gate. Length of your father's arm. Trip to Agra. Mary and Ayush are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cantonment Railway Station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Map of Agra. Now look at the distances between these places. For kilometers, we write km. Agra Cantonment Railway Station to Taj Mahal, 5 kilometer. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, 2 kilometer. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri, 40 kilometer. Now find from the map which is farther from Agra Cantonment Railway Station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. Show the railway line. Which of these is nearer to the railway line? Babarpur Forest or Taj Mahal? Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Which is closer to the river Yamuna? Taj Mahal or the railway station? Match the correct length. Draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Length of an earthworm. Height of a child. Width of a fingernail. Length of side. Distance from home to school. 2 kilometer. 5 meter, 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter. The long tail competition. The long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the length of the longest tail. The length of the monkey's tail is the longest. So the monkey got the first prize. And the cow got the second prize. The monkey has the longest tail, having length approximately 1 meter.
So children, we have seen these long and shorts. See the shapes and plane. Okay, shapes. Basic shapes जो हमारे होते हैं circle, square, rectangle and triangle. 4 shapes are there. Okay. So यहाँ पे कुछ pictures हैं. वो किसके pictures हैं? ये कौन से shape के pictures है? ये circle है. ये square है. ये रेक्टेंगल है, ये सर्कल है, ये ट्रायंगल है, ये स्क्वायर है, ये सर्कल है, ये रेक्टेंगल है, स्क्वायर है, रेक्टेंगल है, सर्कल है एंड ट्रायंगल है. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड काउंट राइट द नंबर्स. ओके, यहाँ पे एक रोबो का पिक्चर दिया है, उसको काउंट करते हैं. हाउ मैनी सर्कल. चलिए अपनी बुक में देखिए और सर्कल काउंट कीजिए. 1 2 3 4 सर्कल. सो यहाँ पे हाउ मैनी सर्कल के बाजू में जो बॉक्स है उसमें 4 लिखिए. उसके बाद है हाउ मैनी स्क्वायर्स. स्क्वायर्स काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4. हाउ मैनी स्क्वायर्स. 4 squares. So how many squares? 4 squares. How many rectangle? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many rectangle? 7 rectangle. And how many triangle? 1 2 3 4 5. How many triangle? 5 triangles. सो नाउ आज का हमारा लेक्चर यहाँ पे खत्म होता है। आपको ये वाला लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट का थोड़ा बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जो था वो बुक में नहीं है, बट ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट सिर्फ आपको ओरली लर्न करना है, रिटर्न करना नहीं है। ओके, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू।